Understanding and illustrating your value. Hi, I'm Michael Bull. If you want to close more deals, earn higher commissions, and become the broker you've always wanted to be, it starts with understanding your value. In this training, I'll show you how to help clients and contacts recognize just how valuable you are and how to leverage that value to get faster, better results. You'll learn best practices for getting properly paid for your services in time and how to use your value to power your business. I'll teach you how to get people to do business with you quickly and the opening statements that instantly show your worth. We'll cover the #1 skill every commercial broker must hone for success and how to exude the look of value and success in every interaction. You'll also see how to utilize marketing, attraction techniques, and phone scripts to illustrate your value and get results immediately. I'll show you the questions that demonstrate value and drive business, mistakes that can devalue you and your firm, and how to use time limits to make people respect your time. We'll talk about the math that guides you to delegate effectively, when and how to hire an assistant and build a team, and how investing in your training increases your value while helping you earn more commissions. If you're ready to step into the broker you want to become, attract more clients, and maximize your earnings, this training will show you how to do it.